She just wanna vibe. She wanna go lose track of time, and she don't care where we go. She down the road. She just wanna ride. She just wants to ride. She just wanna.
So what's up, y'all? It is a new day here. I'm in Florida with my family tonight. We are having Christmas movie night. I got on my Christmas onesie with Santa Claus. It actually lights up, but my lights are so dim. Let me see if I turn the light off how it looks. I might look dark, but let's see. Yeah, so it kind of flashing like green and red, but as you can see, we about to turn up. So we got our popcorn going and we got the movie going. So I was like, let me just go grab the camera because I need to show them that family get together and do this, baby. So let's go. So yo,
hey, buddy?
yeah, she got the bag.
Put the big brown ornament right on the front of the tree. It looks like dirty. Yes, it does, baby, and that's why Mommy's gonna put her out back. So here we go, drink the tree water.
Yes, so everybody got their popcorn, their cigrams, their drinks, and we just having a family movie night. I think we got the kids over here because we got an adult movie day. So we got the kids over here. Say hey, kiddos. The kids are having their movie night in the movie room, and they are watching Princess and the Frog on the TV. So
We got so much fun tomorrow. We gotta go on a trampoline.
yes. So I'm gonna go back to my movie night. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
It is a new day, so today we are prepping for the Christmas/housewarming party. So we got all the treats going, we got food going, we got decorations being set up, and we got our Christmas music going, so we just getting everything together. We got up earlier and had breakfast. I'm sorry I didn't get y'all. I'm sorry I didn't get on the camera, but we got our breakfast going. And yeah, so like, it's just everywhere. So y'all, it is the night of the party. We have it all decorated out here. Y'all see it? Baby over there stuffing her face. But we got the food lined up. Little strawberries. We got some cookies. This is the sweets and fruit table, so we got some strawberries and cookies. Pretzels, the fruit back there, nice. We got some marshmallows. We got some Rice Krispie treats. Some more fruits. We got a chocolate covered. I'm sorry, we have a chocolate fountain going for you to dip your fruit if you like. I haven't showed you. Food going. We got some drinks going. And I'm gonna show y'all the outside. We got a little party going back here. All the presents that we get because it's game night. You got problems. Got a little fire going. Oh my God. The kids are over here on the trampoline. Hey, I season the hell out of these shrimp. Right out. Let me get one. Got some gumbo and shrimp. Your daddy got everything that Chris got. Oh my God. So yeah, we got the party going on outside in the back. It's so lit. We got nothing but family, friends, and lots of love. Got best friend vibes going on. Why do you get it in my... And I always supposed to... Oh,
She got her makeup did and all that, y'all. My mama here looking real bland.
Because my friend likes to be natural, and she is a chocolate, natural, beautiful person. So, boom.
You made this sandwich?
For the late video, guys, but we have some seafood pasta. We got some dinner rolls. We have some, look like we had some collard greens. We got some dirty rice, curry chicken. We had rice back there, but it's all gone. We got some macaroni and cheese. We got some barbecue ribs. We have some baked beans. We have some yams. And we also have some gumbo. Now all the kids are over here. Oh, we also have some deviled eggs. I showed y'all the sweets table, but this was with everything off. And our chocolate fountain.
Kelly said she was gonna roast a strawberry.
In here we have potato salad, turkey, and we also have some meatballs. Made it to brunch at this place called The Batch in West Palm Beach, Florida. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I never ate before. My friend brought us out here, so we're gonna go ahead and give The Batch a try. I'm gonna show y'all my food when we get it, but here's the crew. Jalise. Yeah. Jigs. So I'm gonna look for the menu and order me some food. So y'all, now we all have full. Everybody's just sitting here talking and catching up on old times. So that's what's going on now. I guess I'll take y'all on the next adventure with me. Taking a walk on a pier. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and make sure you click that bell to get a notification.